Good morning, students. How are you all? Today we are going to start our chapter number 7, the male merge. As the name defines, here we are going to learn how to merge your male. So let's start with hard words. Data source means some information to be brought to the mail document. Main document, the body of the standard letter to be sent to all the recipient. And mail merge, so it is a feature in word. Send a standard letter or email to many people, means more than one people. The same mail you can send, the same message you can send more than one people or many people at the same time using this mail merge option. So in this chapter we are going to learn about mail merge document, how to create mail merge document, how to create recipient list, means a contact list, how to insert the fields, how to previewing, means how to viewing the merge data, how to finish the merging process, how to print a letter, means how to finish, means how to complete, how to write a letter, how to add the name of the people that you want to send, and how to finish all this process. So let's start our chapter number 7, the mail merge. So the mail merge, word 2016 provide a features called mail merge, which creates a multiple copies of the mail, means this same letter with the name and address of different people available in record, means using this option the same mail you can send to the many people whose name and address you have already saved or recorded. Mail merge document, the body of letter which contains the text to be sent to all recipient is called main document, means the original content that you want to send, it is called main document. Data source, it is consist of mailing list, for example a name, address, city and telephone numbers, they are called data source. The data is organized in the tabular form with the field like name. The data source is combined with the main document so that the field name can be used in the main document. The process of including three main steps, means this is a main process, a mail merge process including three steps. First step is creating the main document or writing a letter or body content of their letter. Creating a data source means creating a contact list or recipient list to whom you want to send this mail. And the third step is merging the data source and main documents, means merging all these things. The mail merge reads the data source and physically manages it with the main document to gather letter for all the records found in the data source. So let's learn how to creating a mail merge document. So let's learn how to create a main document. Step number 1, create a new document and type a letter that you want to send a different people. Suppose you are typing your birthday card or invitation. Now step number 2, click on the mailing tab. On the mailing tab, start mail merge drop down arrow, this option is present, it is at the start mail merge group. Now select the step by step mail merge wizard option. You have to select step by step mail merge wizard option. Now the mail merge task pane will appear, that is on the right side of your window. screen. Now select the letter radio button under the select document type section, because here we are writing letter. Click on the next starting document option. Select use current document radio button. From this document section and click on the next section option. Now Word offer the following type of documents, means how many types of document it offer. It offer letter, so this document type is used to sending a formal letter or invoice, so that is called letter. It is used for composing and designing the multiple documents for which only one recipient information varies. Email message, this option is used to send a personalized email to each recipient. Envelopes, this option is used for producing envelopes with different sizes. Labels, this option is used to print a sheet of labels. Many addresses can be printed on the same page in a different label formats. Dictionary, this option is used to print a catalog or any other document that required printing multiple record per page. That's it for today, students. Thank you. Bye bye.